Hello everyone, I'm Lucien. Today I would like to introduce the Noblelift SC series Scissor lift aero walk platforms. This product has been mass-produced at the Noblelift Malaysia factory since 2022.
It is normally subject to anti-dumping and countervailing duties,
providing the customer with the most economical solution and enhancing their market competitiveness. Now let's delve deeper into this product. The Noblelift SC series has a walking height range of 6 meters to 16 meters, covering the mainstream walking ranges in the market. The Noblelift Scissor lift platform prioritizes safety and meets both ANSI standard in the US and CE certification requirements in Europe.
When the lift reaches a certain height, the pothole protection system is automatically activated and the driving speed is switched to slow mode.
The platform door is equipped with a self-locking function for convenience and enhanced safety. When walking on a ramp, the automatic braking system prevents the vehicle from rolling. During lifting on a ramp, the allowable walking angle is 3 degrees front to back and 1.5 degrees side to side. If the tilt angle exceeds these limits, the system automatically triggers an alarm and disables operations. In the event of a power failure that prevents the vehicle from descending, an emergency manual descendant system is available to lower the platform safely. Safety maintenance support bars ensure the safety of personnel during repairs.
Maintenance is convenient. The walking hour meter automatically tracks usage time, facilitating the scheduling of maintenance tasks. Fault codes are displayed directly, allowing for quick fault diagnosis without the need for external diagnostic equipment.
Based on customers' feedback, we have optimized many designs, including the integration of a connecting shaft to enhance the vehicle's stress and stability. A built-in standard integrated pump station for great convenience. We have also upgraded the cover for warning lights, make it more solid, hardly damaged. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that the Noblelift Fleet Management System (NFMS) can assist you in managing a large fleet. It allows you to check the status of vehicle at any time, analyze their usage, and even aids in remote diagnostics of vehicle malfunctions.
If you are interested in our products or have any questions or needs, please visit our official website at www.noblelift-access.com or leave a message.
Looking forward to working together with you to make great things happen.